Aloha, this is Donya, and today we talk about the D major scale because of the free play, how you can improvise and fiddling and noodling around with your D major scale, what kind of mood it will create, or what happens with you or inside your body. Let's get ready to start with the greatest thing ever, the free play. My name is Donya, your ukelista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials. And I am a professional sound and music therapist. And I show you how to be creative, how to be a songwriter with the free play and heal your body, mind and soul. Today we talk about my favorite key, the D. I don't care if it's major or minor. For me, D is something special, or the D major scale. It's a divine melody that resonates with the very essence of joy and upliftment. It's picture-minded, like a sun-kissed morning where the world awakes and promises you a new day and something bright and optimistic is happening with boundless possibilities. So for me, the D major or minor scale, I don't care, is a gentle healer, a soothing soul and lifting spirit who creates the sense of your inner peace and harmony and washing all the worries away. And I don't care if you strum softly your guitar or your ukulele or your handpan and piano. You get the power of that evoke feeling of hope and renewing things. And yes, this is D. How you see, I'm totally excited about it to explain it to you. But D is so special for me. And during my experiences in music therapy the last over 20 years, most of the problems get solved through the gong, a gong which is tuned in D, or singing bowls which were tuned in D, and songs which were tuned in D, and watch out the most amount of handpans which were sold in the world, and the people play are in D minor. Anyway, we talk about D minor next week. Let's go ahead and go in that feeling what I explained you. And if it's your purpose to get a warm hug, you're in a harmony and a better perspective, like a new morning, a new day, a new chance which will grow, play the D major scale. So we start with the lower layer. I start today with the lower layer because the D is also for the lower body area. It's like the root or sacral chakra. So let's start with the lower layer to play the D major scale. It's D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. And then we can go ahead. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. And in the higher layer we start here from the 7th fret, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. But we don't repeat the scale. I have many tutorials here. Check out How to Uke Baritone Volume 1 and also How to Uke. Just search it, because today our focus lies what the mood is. I already talked about the mood, and now it turns out to you what you want to trigger in your body or which chakra you want to trigger. But about chakra we do extra tutorials. Today it's only the mood and the kind of free play, how you combine things, how you combine chords. So you know, it's an uplifting and happy scale with a warm hug surrounded by sunlight, and you start harmonies and everything. So play the chords and enjoy the sense of the D major scale and feel. Or is it more the higher layer? Like the melody I was playing in the beginning when I was improvising, free playing. Just do it and feel it in your body. Here I felt it more in my heart instead of my sacral or root chakra, and it made me happy. Those tiny repetition with the D and the C sharp and the B, and landing on the F sharp, and it makes me smile and happy, and I feel the sunlight tickling on my nose, and I got happy and I had to smile. So I don't show you what to learn and what to do. Just listen to your heart, your fingers, your body, mind and soul, and go ahead. And I hope you enjoyed my tutorial about the mood and the ambitions of the D major scale. And go ahead and let me know what turns out and what helped or healed you in your body. Love you. See you for the next tutorial, which is the D minor scale. See ya, Tanya.